Hi, I'm Fran Palmieri. I'm Director of Oncology Strategic Sites for Sarah Cannon. I think we kind of inherently know the benefits of being on a clinical trial. You may get to experience a novel therapy that can have really tremendous benefit. You can help a whole other generation of cancer survivors to maybe live a better life or to be cancer-free, a gift that only people who participate in trials can give. But a clinical trial may not be right. It may not be the best treatment for every patient. And that may be an exception, but that's a conversation to have with your doctor. They can guide you. There are very many subgroups of each tumor type of cancer, and there may not be a clinical trial available for that subgroup, and there may be a proven treatment that is good for you. So you can't feel disappointed if you can feel disappointed, but don't let that overwhelm you. Know you did your due diligence. You did all the things you needed to do to get yourself to the best treatment. And really that's the end point, isn't it? Whether you're on a trial or not. Sometimes a clinical trial does not have the kind of efficacy needed for your diagnosis. Another drawback to a clinical trial may be that the drug may not be readily available to you after you complete the trial. But I think the biggest drawback has to be that eligibility criteria, whether you are appropriate to be studied in that trial. That eligibility is very narrow sometimes for a clinical trial because, for a very good reason, they're trying to look at populations very specific so that when the trial's completed, it can be applicable to a very specific population. So if they're only looking for patients that are blue-eyed with blonde hair and you do not fit that criteria because you have brown hair, you cannot be on the trial. We're only looking for those patients. So in that way, and there are some very serious things. For example, some drugs affect the heart and can affect the way the heart pumps blood so successfully, oxygen can be circulated, et cetera. And if your cardiac function, your heart function is below what is needed to be safe on that drug, you cannot be on that clinical trial. So there may be some real reasons why a clinical trial is not the best treatment option for you.